Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to DP Trader, a channel where we discuss everything day trading to keep you profitable on a consistent basis. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a strategy. Um, it's not really a strategy, but it's something really useful that you could do. And honestly, if you do this right, it's going to really benefit you. Today's video is going to be called 20 pips a day keeps the job away. Now, hear me out, right? We've got EURUSD on the chart, and I'm just gonna draw 20 pips, right there, 20 pips on the chart, right? This little mini box is 20 pips. So from here to there is 20 pips, right? Now let's go down to the 15-minute time frame, right? Now this is a 20 pip range in the market. Now you can see that you can honestly get 20 pips pretty much easy within the market, right? There is always the market moves, and you can see how we can easily catch 20 pips in the market. So with the right lot size, you can honestly make a lot of money doing this challenge, right? Now obviously you have your what do you call it, you've got your support and resistance line drawn on your charts. Now after you do that, if you don't know how to do that, there's a YouTube on my channel that shows you how I draw my support and resistance lines, where I put them, why I put them there, everything explained in that video, so go check that out. Then now after you've marked your support and resistance line, all you need to pretty much do is catch 20 pips within the market when the price rejects a support or a resistance line. So let's take this right here for an example, right? Let me just make that black. Let's take this for an example, right? Now you can see that what did price do? Price broke with so much momentum past it was resistance, and now it's used as support, right? No retest, no entry. So always remember that. You see we've got the retest here. So what you do is, as soon as you see this happening, you wait for a pullback and a retest of that resistance that are now being used as support. Drop down to smaller time frame, just to kind of see that you will see an engulfing pattern right there. You see we've got the rejection candle, and then we've got a massive engulfing. Now let's take our 20 pip box and put it there and see if we caught 20 pips, right? Look at that. 20 pips almost exactly. So if you just saw this break, waited for a rejection and a retest of the support, and took a long position for 20 pips, right? 20 pips right there with a stop loss of, I don't know, personally I would just put it just below that low for 2.5 pip. I mean, the risk reward is insane. It's 1 to 8, and this trade would have worked out absolutely perfect. Now let's say you missed this move, right, and the market is now trending here, and you can see that the market is trying to pull back to retest this support line. Now after you see this rejection, now all these wicks tells you something, right? This tells you that, hey, the market is rejecting the support line, and it's ready to push up. So what do? I take my 20 pip range box and place it right there after the engulfing pattern. So let's say you've waited for the market to give you a buying signal to tell you, hey, the buyers are now in control. You can jump in. You could have got it right there. You see, pretty much easy, and within a few minutes you could have gone. You would have gotten 20 pips. Right now, if you held, you could have obviously gotten much more, but this is not the strategy. This strategy is catching 20 pips in the market on smaller time frames, scalping the markets in and out of your position. Thank you very much. So you see how this move would have also worked out pretty perfectly, and you could have got it obviously right here. Let's say after this engulfing, you've entered, stops just below, boom, the market did a bit of a retest, and boom, 20 pips, done and dusted. Guys, 20 pips a day keeps the job away. Remember that. Look how many 20 pips you could have gotten from this just one move, right? You could have gotten 3-4 trades just from one move within the market, right? And it's pretty cool, you know. It's pretty cool. Even right here, you see a little bit of consolidation. You could have waited for a nice breakout, entered after the engulfing pattern, and 20 pips gotten absolutely smashed. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. I do want to show you something. I have a folder that I will probably draw down, put down in the description down below. If you want it, you can download it and you can get it. So what this is basically is levels, right? You can start your balance with as little as $20. Now let's say your starting balance right here is $20. You can see how I've been doing this and trying it out, and it's absolutely crazy. I've took this $20 and now I'm sitting at $98. It's pretty insane. The goal is after 30 successful, all must be successful trades. Now if you do take a loss, right, and that happens, it's all right. You will go back down one level, so you just go back one level, and then if you win again, then you just carry on. You take a loss, you take a step backwards, but then you carry on, and so forth. So this challenge, 20 pip challenge, is basically taking $20 turning it into $52,000, right? Now this is a bit crazy and the risk is a lot. You can see here percentage risk 30%. Obviously you do not risk 30% every trade, but this is $20. So let's say you on level 20, right, and you on $2,900 and you risk 30%. That's $674 loss, but your reward is much more, right? Yes, it's 20 pips, but your lot size increases every time. So these are the lot size. You can I'll put this in the description below, and you can or I'll put a link to it so you can get it and download it. But as you can see here, you start with $20. Level 1 profit goal is to make $6 off this $20 which is 20 pips on a 0.03. Then you end with 26, and so on and so forth. So this challenge is taking $20, turning it into $52,000. Pretty insane. Let me know what you guys think. If you do go on and take this, create a separate account for it. You know, go open a live account, throw in $20 and then just play around with it. See what you do and see how far you can take it. And do let me know down below if you do start this challenge and how it's going for you. I really would like to see that. But yeah, this, you can see it's pretty easy to catch 20 pips in the market. I've showed you multiple examples. You could have got it right here. You could have got it right there. You could have got it right there. You see, it's pretty easy to catch 20 pips within the market. Now, obviously, have your RSI indicators if you want, but make sure you take, let's say this is also the perfect trade because it broke through a major resistance line. It came back to retest with a massive engulfing and a three candle pattern reversal, and you could have entered it right there on the close, and you could have gone 20 pips easily. Guys, this is crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think about it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.